Look at this, we got a real documented 67 Chevelle 396, has the original Protecto plate. There's a 4-speed in there, factory gauges, nice clean Southern car. Hey, I'm Jay Grams here at the Volo Auto Museum. Go to volocars.com, that's where you'll find the pricing, all the specs, pictures top to bottom of this car, and a few hundred other beautiful collector cars all for sale. We have shipping, we have financing. On there you'll find plenty of ways to contact us. I have a whole staff of people that are willing and able to help you get your dream car. So whatever questions, comments, concerns you have, you got to start somewhere. Shoot us an email, give us a call, let us know what you're thinking, and we'll go from there. So visit volocars.com, subscribe to our YouTube channel. I have cars lined up out the door right now. We'll be videotaping today, and that's the best way to see them first. Let's take this one for a spin. My son manages the shop. A bunch of cars have just come in. For some reason he's told me 2 or 3 times this is one of the better ones. It's not perfect, but what he means is it functions good, it feels good, it shifts nice, it runs nice. So that's his job, is to check them out in the shop. I personally just wiped the whole car down with the microfiber towel, and the paint is really shiny, straight, beautiful, just like what you see. If you're the one wiping it down, I don't see anything now, but there were a couple little spots or a touch up here or there in the paint. So it's not a perfect paint job, but only you and I will know that. Same with the chrome. The bumpers are beautiful. Tail lights, if you're actually up on it or wiping them down, they're not new. There's a little bit of pitting, but again, overall, the paint, chrome, trim shines beautifully. Car's straight, no vinyl top, which is what I prefer. It was born a red car, according to the tag. It's always been red. It has the 15x8 Corvette rally wheels, new trim, BF Goodrich tires. It has disc brakes up front. They're new. 12-bolt rear end under the back. Bumper guards. Motor compartment's really cleaned up nicely. All stock in appearance. They even put assembly line markings on the firewall and all different components. Has GM hoses and clamps, the right valve covers, air cleaner, manifolds. It is not the numbers matching motor, but it is a big block, and it's a real big block car. It has power steering as well, the correct 1967 setup, spring clamp cables on the battery, got fan shroud, everything looks proper. Real nice clean motor compartment. It's a bucket seat car with the console, seat belts, got the correct style shifter, it has the blinker tack, the tachometer where they put it, it covered the blinker, so they put a blinker inside the tack. That's from the factory that way, along with the gauges in the dash. That was a factory option. Trunk compartment's clean, painted, has a new mat, has a rally wheel spare, has a jack, nice weather strip. I actually think this is the original red paint under here because it has the original stickers. All the chrome trim on the steering wheel is real nice. Got a little tear at the bottom of the door panel. But overall, again, the interior is really good. We have pictures on our website of the underneath. It looks really nice. The floors are clean. It's all cleaned up, painted. Looks good. Oh yeah, it sounds nice. The overhead light works. Headliner and visors look real nice. Motor sounds good. That's a good-looking Super Sport. Red, 4-speed. Got a lot going for it. Has the original Protecto plate, which is the original warranty card, which gives all sorts of information about where it was sold new. It was actually West Virginia, and it has the motor and component numbers on there and the name of the first buyer. So you don't see a Protecto plate too often with these, but we have it. There'll be a picture on our website. So there it is. Go to volocars.com to get all the specs and pricing before someone beats you to it, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.